Welcome. I'm Edward Gordon, and I'm so glad that you found me here today. I'd like to share with you how finding your purpose, how finding your path can create real and lasting change in your life. And I want to help you get connected to your purpose, connected to your path by sharing with you in my upcoming class 6 simple yet powerful steps that are embedded in the natural cycles of energy in the body. 6 steps that are embedded in the flow of chi in the body. You know, once we get connected to our purpose, we get connected to our power, it starts to infuse us with enthusiasm, infuse us with passion, starts to give us clarity so we can start to make the correct decisions that bring us into alignment, that allow us to create the life that we want to have. In my upcoming class, we're going to go through step by step, and I can show you how each of these particular steps in an amazingly easy and amazingly effortless way can begin to generate and get you connected to your purpose, get connected to your life path. So if you look down below, you'll see that there is a spot to put in your email, the RSVP for the new upcoming class. And if you're going to attend, go ahead and put that in. So I will see you soon if you put your email in on my newsletters, and if you're coming to my upcoming class, I look forward to seeing you very, very soon.